Hi everyone and welcome back. This is Tiffany and Nova with Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we are showing you a super cute wraparound Dutch braid. Started with 3 ponytails up front. It was originally done by Toddler Hair Ideas and we saw it on Tess Woods or Q's Hairdos Instagram page and thought that we would recreate it for a tutorial for all of you. So as you can see, it's got 3 little ponytails that connect into a Dutch braid. We pancaked it out. It's super cute. So let's go ahead
and get started.
For this hairstyle, I'm starting with a deep right side part up over the middle of her eyebrow and then just spraying it down with water and spray gel. I'm going to come to the back of the crown, make about a 1-inch part across and then come up towards the front of her face. And this is the section that's going to be making our 3 ponytails. I'm going to secure the rest of the hair out of the way for now. This just ensures so that I don't get flyaways into these front ponytails, and it just makes for a cleaner look. I'm spraying in some spray gel and then I will comb out this front section and create 3 equal ponytails, just kind of eyeballing it. For her head, they're about 1.5 to 2 inches wide. So here's the first ponytail. I'm making 1 confident swipe back. It's easier to part these styles out when the hair is wet and you come straight back. I have difficulty parting out dry styles. They just don't part as straight and neatly as they do when they're wet. So I'm finishing my 3rd ponytail here. And then we're going to take out our placeholder at the back and we're going to start a Dutch braid. Now once you've got most of the hair from the bottom added into this braid and you've gotten to the point where you have just a small section left on the left, we are going to just continue this braid down without adding this hair on the side. So you see I've got a little bit of hair left over and I'm just going to come down probably 2 to 4 stitches. A stitch is every time you bring the hair under. That's considered a stitch. And then I'm just going to loosely secure it for now. This hair that I have left over, we're going to add it to the braid. So it's almost like a mini side ponytail that's getting added into the braid, and it just makes for a really cute, sleek look when you're all done. So you can see me adding both of them together. And then the placeholder that I have for the braid, I'm just gonna loosely slide that out. Now her hair is pretty thick, so I'm gonna take, since I'm using the smaller rubber bands, I'm going to take another rubber band just to secure it better. And then at the end of this style, we're going to pancake out the hair. This just gives it a fuller appearance. You're just going to tug lightly on both sides of the braid. It just makes it look really full. And once you've pancaked all the way to the bottom and have the look that you want, then that is our finished style.
If you have this already, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
And don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.